Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports Tennis. First, ensure your Wii remote is securely fastened to your wrist with the strap for safety. It's crucial to stand approximately 3 feet, or about 1 meter, away from your television screen to give yourself enough room to swing comfortably and safely. Once you're ready, navigate to the main Wii Sports menu and select the tennis option to jump right into a game. This setup ensures a fun and safe experience for everyone. Serving is a 2-part motion. To toss the ball, quickly flick your Wii remote upward, mimicking a real tennis toss. As the ball reaches its highest point, swing the remote downward with a fluid motion to strike it. Your goal is to hit the ball into the opponent's service box. Missing this area twice results in a double fault, giving your opponent a free point. Practice your timing to consistently land powerful and accurate serves. When the ball is in play, you'll primarily use ground strokes from the baseline. Swing the Wii remote forward as if hitting a real tennis ball. For shots closer to the net, like volleys, use a quicker, shorter swing. To control the ball's direction, angle your swing slightly to the left or right. A swing to the left will send the ball to your opponent's right, and vice versa, allowing you to place your shots strategically. To elevate your game, consider advanced strategies. After a powerful serve, you can charge the net to put pressure on your opponent and finish points with volleys. Another effective tactic is the drop shot. Gently swing the remote to make the ball land just over the net, catching your opponent off guard. Focus on timing your swings perfectly to achieve nice shot returns, which are more powerful and harder to return, giving you a significant advantage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.